welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. If this is your first time on my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you want to stick around, and I'd love it if you'd like this video. Okay, so let's get into it. Today we are going to just do a routine clean. This is what my weekly cleaning routine looks like. It's definitely not fancy and it's not a deep clean, but this is what I do just to refresh our home on a weekly basis. When I just have some time and I can tidy up our home, these are the steps that I like to do. I tidy up our primary bedroom first. This is kind of selfish. It's just I prefer a pretty clean space. And so I like to make the bed in here and then clean the floor. I take out the trash. I clean the toilet and just vacuum up the bathroom in this area. And then typically I kind of call this space good. If I've got to do any deeper cleaning, I don't mind doing that. Every week I try to wash the sheets, but that is not a today to-do list, so that's not going to be in this video. And then I'm going to clean our kitchen, start some laundry, do our living room tidy, and then check on the kids' rooms and the kids' bathrooms. So this is just what a typical cleaning rhythm looks like for us, and so I'm sharing that today. And let's go ahead and get into it. It's easy sometimes to fall into the trap of the mindset that you have to clean every inch of your home, or it's not really clean, or you have to do these really deep cleans, or it's not clean, kind of an all or nothing mindset. And I don't know, I just don't naturally fit into that. Probably because I don't really like doing large, deep cleans. I get tired and I kind of get frustrated and then just kind of mentally ready to move on. So I like to just have daily rhythms of cleanliness with our home. I would just rather put in a little bit of time every day instead of setting aside an entire Saturday morning to clean our house. Of course, there have been different seasons where I've kind of done just one big clean. When I was in college, I did that. But now for our season of life, I don't know. I would rather spend just a little bit of time each day tidying up. And this rhythm for cleaning our house really works well for me. I like doing it this way. If I can keep up with a load of laundry a day and the bathrooms in our home being clean, and the like kitchen and living room area, I'm pretty content with that. So it's not perfect, but it definitely fits in well for just the rhythm of our lives right now. So I don't know. Leave a comment below. Do you like to clean all in one day, or do you like to just do little cleans throughout the week? I'd love to hear your thoughts. We are so close to Christmas break here, and my kids just being home from school for a couple weeks, and we are so excited. I have lots of fun things planned for just the way I'd like to spend the time. Crafts I want to make with the kids, kind of little adventures I want to take them on, and just so like have fun experiences is really my goal for this time. But as I clean my son's room, I'm thinking we also just need to clean out this room. I think my boys are to the age where they can make some of their own decisions on what they want to keep and what they want to toss. So something we'll do over Christmas break is go through this room, go through all the drawers. If clothes are too small, I'd like to give those away, or pack them up for the younger brother coming up along. I don't know, just kind of clean out this space. I think it'll be easier to keep clean if we can have less stuff in here. Okay, so now we're moving to the kids' bathroom. It's a little bit dirtier than normal. You can't really see it on the camera, but this vanity is really dirty. I'm not sure if they like washed slime off in the sink or maybe Play-Doh, but there's a lot of like dark purple or brownish colored dirt in the sink and just kind of goop that I'm scrubbing off. I'm just using a Clorox wipe for this. This is my favorite method for cleaning bathrooms. I typically use 2 Clorox wipes per bathroom. I use one wipe to wipe down the sink and vanity, as you're seeing me do right now. And then I get a second wipe and I clean the toilet area. And I don't know, this process works pretty well. I like not having to use like my kitchen towels or anything in the bathrooms. I just feel like it's such a germy area that if I can just use a Clorox wipe, that's really what I'm gonna go to and use. It's my favorite method right now. So I'm just gonna finish cleaning up this bathroom before we move on to the next space. So this living room area was definitely dirtier than normal. I guess I typically tidy this area every day, so it's never really that out of control. But there were a lot of toys in here this day and trash, and I moved I moved both of our side tables to clean under them, and there was a ton of just dust, dirt, hair, snacks, like you name it. I was cleaning under these tables and it was just kind of gross. So I'm going to remember to move those more often when I vacuum, so they don't get quite so gross underneath. But that kind of wraps it up. This house is clean. It's ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video here. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you found this video to be motivating, and I will see you in the next one.